Master TMULTRA. Master TMULTRA Review. Best RO System for Well Water. Master Well Water Filter System tick all the boxes. The TMULTRA is EPA registered and approved to kill, inactivate, and suppress the growth of all viruses, bacteria, and fungi in their water purification devices. Of the 6 stages of powerful well water filtration, no one filter requires a wrench for installation or removal. Master TMULTRA Purification removes up to 99% of harmful chemicals, including lead, microplastics, and thousands more. Well water travels through 8.5 inches of one filter, then a KDF85 iron filter, plus a powerful Redox filter media to remove any dissolved iron. It doesn't end there. Well water keeps filtering through mesh granular media without reducing water pressure, making it the best RO system for well water. The Bpa and Lead-Free Filter cluster measures 16 by 8 by 5 inches. The reserve tank is 15 by 11 inches in diameter, and the system includes a polished lever control sink faucet. Warranty: 5-year limited warranty. Parts. Pros: Bpa and lead-free, powerful UV chlorine eliminating light, fast flow RO, kit doubles faucet flow rate. Cons: energy wasting UV light stays on, poorly written installation instructions, small 3-gallon tank.